G'day everybody, I'm super excited about this video. I'm testing a racing propeller on the little 5 horsepower. If you saw the last video, I was testing a modified aluminium propeller and got as much as we could out of that. And it was about 38 kilometers an hour with this little 5 horsepower. So what we're doing is we're raising up the motor, starting to surface pierce the propeller. And this is a little bronze racing propeller. Again, I'm not sure how this prop's going to go. You never know how they're going to go until you give them a try on your setup. So yeah, super excited for how this goes. We're going to start off with the height that we were able to achieve with the aluminium propeller. So that's as high as we could go with the aluminium propeller, hoping that we can achieve a bit more height and a bit more speed out of the racing prop. Anyway, let's get into it. All right, here we go. Nice sunny, beautiful morning. All right, so this is the same height that we were, had the aluminium prop running at. It is, well and truly surface piercing. I have cleared the GPS. You can see we are 3.7 kilometers an hour, just drifting along a bit. All right. That's a bit hard to film. Well, there you go. 41.3 kilometers an hour. All right, I'm going to go and raise this up 2 centimeters, 20 millimeters, and that got up on the plane really easily. It's got a big cup on it, this propeller, so go and raise it up and see what else we get. But 41.3, it's getting pretty good. All right, we are now 1 hole above where we could get the alloy prop to. I've cleared the GPS again, and at this height the aluminium propeller would not get up on the plane, it would just cavitate. And so let's go. That's starting to feel heaps better. It's still come up more. It got up on the plane, no worries. Alright. I think the revs were up a bit too. I'll have to check the footage for that. Yeah, it's 42.4. And I don't think I'll let it wind right out. It's a bit windy today if I head out that way. So I think I'll come up another 1 centimeter and we'll see how that goes. Having fun. Phew! Right, I didn't bother videoing that one because I thought it was going to be fine. Got the 1 centimeter block in there. Top speed was 43 kilometers an hour. It's starting to feel really good. Starting to feel a bit of torque steer in the little 5 horsepower as well, which is cute. Anyway, I'll come up another full hole now. So hopefully probably get a bit of a rooster tail after this one. So see if we can get 44. All right. We're at 2 full holes, higher than we could get with the alloy prop now. I've cleared the GPS again. It's getting a little bit windy and rough, so I don't know. I just don't know how we're going to go getting to a full speed, but I'll give it a go. Probably going to have a rooster tail now. No, 42.7. So we might be nearly maxed. I reckon it can still come up a bit. We're revving over 7. It is definitely rougher now than it was when I was testing other heights, so that's going to play a role. So I might just go for a run without trying to film and see if I can find a smooth bit of water and see what the GPS says after that. I'll check back in a sec. There you go, that's more like it. I found a smooth bit of water over here, and we got 44.2 kilometers an hour. So yeah, getting pretty fast for a 5. I'm going to raise it another 1 centimeter and see what happens, because it's still plenty of bite getting up on the plane, no worries. So yeah, I'm having so much fun. All right, it's getting reasonably hard to film this, so I've just raised it another 1 centimeter block. So yeah, we are basically two holes higher and a 1 centimeter block higher than what we could get with the modified aluminium propeller, and I have just achieved 45.1 kilometers an hour out of a slightly modified 5 horsepower. So yeah, it's getting good. It can still come up more. Still got plenty of bite jumping up on the plane, so I think I'll leave it there for today. I've got to go and do some other things, and I'll just put up some footage of looking at the gear case and the height that it's running at. So I love that stuff. All right, all the best, guys. There's more to come on this. I still think there's a little bit more speed we can squeeze out of it. Anyway, all the best, and cheers, guys.